Welcome back to Beyond the Sprue. Before we get into this week's new releases, here's the question. This is a replica of the world's first military submarine. In what year was the original one built? Was it A, 1775, B, 1795, or C, 1825? The answer's at the end as normal, and if you know the name of it, then please enter that in the comment. Mini Arts Sturmgeschütz 3 2023 tooling is having some new parts. Although the kit is only a 172, its detail is just incredible, and with these extra PE parts and 8 scheme options, I'm sure this will build into a cracking little kit. Model 3D are making a high quality 3D printed model kit of the Fiat Bergetto 40 tractor. TACOM's 2-in-1 Sturmhaubitze 42 and Sturmgeschütz 3 is coming with some extra parts, metal barrels, PE parts, and a storage and equipment set. ICM's new kit contains half truck cars ×2 plus a Ford V3000S, and that can be in cargo and sanitary versions, and has decals for different marking options for each model. Mini Art are making a Lieferwagen bakery van in 135, comes with several decal options, PE parts, and some bakery goodies such as croissants and so on. Attack Kits are making a 172 light tank LT 40 37mm gun version. This kit coming with a metal tank barrel and PE parts, and that's in 172 scale. If you've been waiting for a Don 2N pillbox ballistic missile defense radar, then wait no longer, because TACOM are going to build one. It's quite large though, and it comes with a bonus anti-ballistic missile system. In addition, TACOM have announced a pair of new naval barrel guns with metal barrels included in 135 scale. ICM kits are producing some 135 Ukrainian anti-mine crew figures, come with a high level of detail, uniforms, equipment, body armour, ammunition pouches, shovels and a mine detector, and a sapper dog. Bodhi Models are producing a 135 Waffen SS half-truck crewman. Parcel Miniatures are producing some various Imperial Japanese Army officers. Classy Hobby are making a 116 US Army Airborne Soldier, and the helmet comes with a large mesh option or a small mesh option with a PE parts. Art Soldiers producing a highly detailed Imperial Japanese soldier. Luke Graf Models are making an Albatros W4 in 132 with resin parts, and they say it's for experienced modelers. Comes with some interesting decal options as well as PE parts. A quick update on Airfix's B-24 Liberator. They've put some pictures up of the sprues, and they've also put the pictures up of the schemes. There's just 2 schemes. ANA Models are making the Basler BT67 in 172, coming in 3 different schemes, and one of those is the Forest Fire scheme. Pilot Replicas are making a new 148 Vampire Trainer and a Vampire Trainer in RAF service, coming in a variety of schemes. And if you said the replica of the world's first military submarine was originally built in the year 1775, you would have been correct. As always guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.